Hello there, Data Recovery Guru here. It's the Friday before New Year's. Very busy month, so trying to help as many customers as possible before we shut down the lab for 2023. It was a productive year. We got a lot done. Thank you to all our customers and partners. And we look forward to 2024. Hopefully, we won't be anything crazy happening in the world, but stay positive and in good spirits, and help everybody as much as possible. Be kind, and things should be good. Either way, today we are working on a MacBook. It's this Apple 1534 MacBook model. It's from a local customer here in Cambridge, Massachusetts. I believe this was the first model where Apple began integrating the storage using NAND flash chips integrated directly into the logic board, which is different than older MacBooks, which had a removable solid state drive. Anyway, this one is integrated. We took it apart, as you can see here. The customer didn't tell us a whole much about what was going on, other than that it became slower and slower charging up until eventually got to the point where it no longer took a charge. So the best way to deal with something like this, given that we haven't looked at components under the microscope, and we can tell that the machine had been worked on before quite sloppily by other people. You can see that the connections for cables are in bad shape. Let me show you one, for example. So, here are the specs. Customer is from Cambridge, Massachusetts, 2016 Apple MacBook. He's looking for MP3s. Here's one of the components, the cables, for example. You see, it's in really bad shape, So with stuff like this, when you're having charging problems, in order to avoid a lot of headache with potential cables being problematic, or ports, or battery, or whatever, the best thing to do is actually buy a whole new MacBook. I know it's expensive, because they are, and this particular model is very rare, with the one port on the side, very difficult to find. Either way, for us it's a good investment because we want to have in stock, because 2016 models are very rare. So we bought a whole new machine, and what we did is remove the customer's logic board from his machine and put it into the new one that we bought. Reassemble it, and here it is. We check the voltages, amperage, and wattage. It looks normal, it's charging up, and we get access to the files. If you need help, find us at datarecoveryguru.com.